Hello, in this video I will go over how to create a box plot in StatCrunch and to produce the 5-number summary. So for this I'm going to use the at-bat column in this Major League Baseball August 2019 batting dataset. First, for that 5-number summary, we will go to Stat, Summary Stats, Columns, and using the at-bat column, since we want the, in this case, the 5-number summary, we want the median, and then the minimum, maximum, Q1, and Q3. And then hitting compute with that will give us the 5-number summary. Then for the box plot, we are going to Graph, Box Plot, selecting the column that we want. Do note that it does give you the option of using the fence to identify outliers. Unfortunately, though, it does not tell you what that fence actually is, but it will do that automatically. When it does draw the box plots, it does unfortunately make them vertically. If you want them horizontal, you have to click this box. And then there's a few of the options here with the markers, X and Y axis, titles. But then you hit compute, and it'll give you that box plot, which should then match the similar statistics that we found on here. Thank you.